All right, we got a basement here just at about 700 square feet. We have a TV area set up right here. We had a couple columns. We created a half wall with some seating. And then we have open stairs right there. And they got a popcorn maker there at the bottom of the stairs. Got this cute little recliner there for the kids. We put a playhouse here. And, here's the window. Little kitchenette in there. It's cute. And door opening. You can see right here we have the counter columns. We even did some decorative molding around the TV. Came out really cool. And we have an office right here as well. Open that door. Pretty simple. Nicely done. And we got a storage room right there. Desk right here. And then another storage room to our left as well. But yeah, nice little layout for making the best use out of this space right here.